All right, this is day 3 tutorial. It'll be a little quicker. Again, I'm going to go fast, so if you need to pause, you need to do that. So I'm going to go to PowerPoint. I'm going to go to File, Open, Desktop, and click on your game and Open. And so this is where we left off. I'm going to go to slide 4, and I'm going to duplicate this slide. I'm going to change question 2 to 3. I'm going to delete all of my circles. And then I'm going to keep duplicating until I have a total of 10 questions. So there's 4, here's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, on slide 13, we're going to click on our button without the cursor blinking, insert action, hyperlink to, slide, ... We're going to link it to question 1 because if they get it wrong, they have to start all over. Okay and okay. Remember to test it. You run your slideshow down here and make sure it goes there. And then back on question 4, these are wrong, these 5. So we need to go to insert action, hyperlink to, slide, link them to slide 13 or the game over slide. So all those need to be linked to slide 13. All right, you need to make sure you check them. And this one is going to be a correct answer. So first we're going to link it to the next slide. So insert action, hyperlink to, slide ... We'll link it to slide 5 or question number 3. Okay and okay. Now we're going to make this disappear. So I'm going to go to drawing tools format, shape fill, no fill, and make sure shape outline is no outline. So it makes it invisible. But when I run my slideshow, all these are wrong. But this one is linked to question 3. So this is where I leave you for a little bit. We still have some sounds to add, but we'll do that later. These questions you need to make different. You cannot leave these 2 questions in here because we did these together. So you need to make sure that you change both of them. You can either change it to something of your choice. Like an example, it would be what team did the Dallas Cowboys lose to in the playoffs this year or something like that. Or you can come up with a different question. This one, again, please do something different. You can do any questions you want. They can't be personal questions like your favorite color or your favorite food or whatever. Obviously, have to be school appropriate. You can have a mix of random questions, sports, news, music, whatever. You can do trick questions, and if you want to do trick questions, you can go to Google, and I can type impossible quiz questions, and if I go to images, there's tons of different trick questions if you've ever played the impossible quiz. But if you try to do all your questions, trick questions, you will run out of time. So yeah, that is day 3.